Greetings everyone, this is Tanishka Nanda welcoming you all in another episode of English News Weekly Bulletin, presenting new updates around the globe. Let's have a closer look at the headlines. New income tax bill introduced in Lok Sabha. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced the new income tax bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. The bill aims to simplify the 6 decades old rules and remove old and redundant sections of the law. In July 2024, Sitharaman announced the government would simplify its income tax law and reduce the disputes. Plane crash in Canada. A Delta Airlines flight carrying 80 people from US Minneapolis crashed and flipped onto its roof while landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport, injuring at least 18 people. The weather advisories for Toronto Pearson Airport at the time of the crash reported the strong crosswinds and the blowing snow. India's schedule at Champions Trophy 2025. India has been placed in the Group A with Bangladesh, Pakistan and New Zealand in Champion Trophy 2025. Their opener will take place on February 20 against Bangladesh. They will face Pakistan on February 23 and their last group match will be against New Zealand on March 2nd. All of India's matches will take place in Dubai. Vehicles en route to Mahakumbh stuck for 48 hours in the traffic jam. Massive traffic jams are being reported on the roads leading to the ongoing Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, with eyewitnesses claim that vehicles have been stuck for 48 hours. It is taking almost 10 to 12 hours to cover a 50-kilometer distance. But now, traffic is being regulated in and around Prayagraj to avoid congestion. Pankaj Tripathi said there is no magic in Hindi cinema anymore. Actor Pankaj Tripathi said he feels the lack of rooted stories is the reason for Hindi cinemas growing disconnected with the audience. In the 90s, we felt connected to the main characters. We laughed, we cried with them. But now, there is no magic anymore, said Pankaj, adding, if Hindi cinema cuts off from its roots, then it's always going to be a problem. This is it for today. We will back with another episode. Till then, keep watching YMCA Sanchar for new updates. Thank you.